No, I won't talk about it. I mean, I have plenty of things to talk about. So what is need for me to talk about this? Sorry, I won't tell what I'm talking about. I I shake my face like this, like what you noticed. So this moved. I thought I should tell you. I noticed. No, no. You have talked about it already. You have talked about. No, I'm not sure whether I talked about this creature or not. But it could be happen. It could be that this creature is like different. But I should talk to other things. I should talk about the other things. You noticed what before that was a part of this planet. These things exist on this planet, and you heard the voice of a beautiful bird. Did you heard? These are three crows, and they are going somewhere. No, crows joined. Fourth one crows joined them. Fifth one, sixth one. I'm seeing them. I want to talk about that human. That human is coming from. क्या हाल है ठीक हो? Inside, it's me. It's me inside this. And today, you noticed. If you are watching me from previous days, you noticed that 2 days it's not nice here, and that's just because the traffic is jam out there, and less traffic is on the road, so that's why there is no noise. Well, let me tell you something about today's weather. Today's weather was okay, not that much sun appeared as but it was okay. Today in the evening I noticed that I didn't see the moon. I was noticing the moon, but I didn't see the moon at the evening time when it was about to happening in the evening. Guys, you know now that it's traffic jam, but I am walking on my foot, so for me it's not the problem. It's not the problem. So yes, let me check where I am. I am on the place. I mean, I am on the place where. Okay, guys, guys, let me sit comfortably. Okay, I sat down. I sat down comfortably, but no. I didn't sit in that position where I am comfortable. But I'm comfortable. I'm sorry, my statement was incorrect. I'm okay here. I'm comfortable. Well, today I'm not. Sorry. That was unnecessary. What I said today I'm not. That was unnecessary. Tonight. Let me check if there is moon. I mean, it should be here, but it can be hidden in the sky. I did not notice it. Guys, I want to stay here for some more minutes, and I'm thinking nothing. I'm just speaking, and what comes in my mind, I speak it out. Do you want me to? Do you want me to continue this vlog's journey of mine? I mean, I want to continue it. But what are your thoughts about it? You liked it or not? Let me know. That was wall. This is the cap of my dad. Guys, let me know. Sorry, how are you? Everyone, how you guys all are? What were you doing last day? What are your plans? What are your plans? I mean, let me know if you are comfortable. Please. Where do you see yourself in next 5 days? I mean, what are your plans for? I mean, do you make plans for days? I mean, let me know, guys. What are your plans for? Let me know if there is evening. What are your plans for today? And if there is night, what are your plans for tomorrow? Guys, bye bye. No, I mean, sorry. I will say bye bye, but after some seconds. Now it's time for me to say bye bye. It's time for me. Bye bye. Thank you very much.